is your name? Rajeshri, you have you ever solved a cube or you mix them without me telling you to mix them? Great. That is my show, guys. Good night. Yes. No, I'm kidding. What the hell? No. So Rajeshri, you handle those cubes, right? I want you to give me one cube, any one you like me to use. This one? You want to change it for that one? Oh wow. Okay. Then we'll change it for that one. There you go. You happy with this or you want to switch again? Do you want to mix this a little more? Okay. Rajeshri, mix it up a little more. As much as you like. Lovely. Fantabulous. She's actually going for it. She's actually like getting herself to mix it more than anybody's ever imagined. You are ruining the cube. Lovely. Thank you. Rajeshri. Rajeshri, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. You've not mixed these. You've ended my career. This is right here. You've molested the cube. Rajeshri, this is not mixing. There's a difference. Wow. Okay, this is going to be hard to fix. See, I'll tell you this. We're going to play a game of luck tonight. I'll come back to the cube in a minute. And Sparsh, I did not get your color. Do you mind joining me here for the game of luck? Yes? Give Sparsh a round of applause. Sparsh, you're going to stand on this side. Let me move the mic away for you. You can stand here. Face the audience. Get in the frame. Fantastic. Idhar aaja thoda beta. Koi baat. Now, Sparsh, do you know what this is? Yes, it's a universal symbol of luck, right? I want you to go ahead, examine it, maybe show it to Ashka. Yes, otherwise she'll say there are 15,000 dice inside that dice and you are a liar, which is very obvious I am. Yeah, I'm a liar. Magic is a lie. I lie for a living. How amazing is that? You happy with that? You want to roll it a couple of times in your hand or on the table, you can do that too. Yes, so while he's doing that, I need a lady from the audience to help me out. How about you, madam? You want to join? What is your name? Bhavya, on this side. Give Bhavya a round of applause. Thank you so much. Now, Bhavya, the thing is, I have something different for you, Bhavya. I have a set of envelopes for Bhavya. Oh, wow, that was fast. Magic show. So I've got a set of envelopes for you, Bhavya, and I've got a dice for him. Now, Bhavya, I want you to pick up the cube and mix it up a little more. Just give it a couple of twirls and stuff. Yeah? Fantastic. Everybody is like, you really, okay. Are you happy with that? Yeah. Fantastic. Have you ever played the game of luck or you've been a part of it or something of that sort? Not much actually. Okay. So Bhavya, in a minute, I'm going to hand you these envelopes. Okay. They are numbered 1 to 6. Why are they numbered 1 to 6? Round of applause! Oh my God! All right. So no, sorry. You hold this. Sorry. And I am going to give you this is Habitat's mug, guys. Branding is important. Habitat mug. All right. Throw the dice in the mug. You take the envelopes. Lovely. Now this is what's going to happen. Put your hand on it so that you don't drop it. You have the envelopes now. They're numbered from 1 to 6, like he said. Inside these envelopes there are gifts. 6 gifts. Okay. You're going to roll a number, whatever number is on the top, that particular envelope, that particular gift will be eliminated. So what you have to do here is you have to roll a number, look at it, announce it, so she can hear it, okay? And then put your hand back on the top. We don't want to drop the dice, okay? And then, Bhavya, you will open up that particular envelope. I'll move this so you can put the envelopes on the table. You will open up that particular envelope and you'll read it out loud for the audience. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I'll spread them out nicely because it is my show and I have to do everything here. Right. So you open that. So if he rolls 2, you pick up 2, open it up, read it loudly for the whole audience to hear. Right. And while she's reading it, don't give her the next number. Don't confuse her. So wait for her to finish reading and then you give her the next number. The idea is that we are eliminating every single gift that you name, the number that you name. In the end, he'll be left with one gift. And whatever that gift is, it will be sponsored by Habitat. Okay? Good. I told you I'm a Gujarati. I don't give shit for free. Okay. No, I don't. He will get the gift because he's rolling. Ashka, you get nothing to sit there. You get nothing. She's just sitting there all defensive right now, just like this guy in the white. He's like, oh my God, you jadiye dude. Show me magic, you magic boy. He's like the whole time, this guy. It's okay, man. It's fine. I put myself through this. It's okay. Got the point, everybody? See, the only reason why we play the game is because watching me solve a Rubik's Cube is like I'm a grown-up. This is a kid's toy, right? It can be creepy. So if you don't get entertained by this, you have in the middle to watch this game also, but that Bhavya and Sparsh are going to play. and you can enjoy yourselves with two things happening at the same time. Ready? So on the count of 3, Sparsh, you roll, you look at the number on the top, tell her, she opens up, eliminated. Okay? And you do it 5 times. The 6th time, the last time, you don't do it. That will be the final gift that he receives. Okay? On the count of 3, we start. 1, 2, 3, go. And please go slow. 5, open 5 up. And read it out for the audience. What gift has he eliminated? Whoa, man. You just eliminated the secret to my... You would have known how I could not guess your color. Okay, that is useless information. But go for it. Go for the next one. 5 again. Okay, then roll it again. See, there are 6 numbers, right? Don't make me hold up cards, guys. Don't make me hold up cards. Just try and try to do something that... Okay, perfect. Finally. Keep going when she's done, okay? Only go when she's done.
A year of free membership of Pornhub.
A year of... Oh, look at that! That's a big one! That's a big one, dude. That's a big one. I'm trying to... Okay. 2. Open up 2. Read it for him. Why did you have to mix it up so badly?
Free Geo network that will actually work.
That's also a good one. That's also a good one. Yes, that's a good one. Go for it. Six, I think 6. I don't clearly remember the 6th one. I think the 6th was also nice. You, by the way,
That will not be done.
that's the, yeah, that was eliminated, right? Have you been to Goa? Exactly. She's not been to. Exactly. College friends, right? All of you? Only you 3. Okay, so you have nothing to do with it. Okay, you are. She's so happy she's not with your group. Look at Ashka. Ashka is like, अच्छा है यार. मैं यहाँ बैठ के comment मार सकती हूँ झाड़िये पे. Now here's the thing. Please, Sparsh, please continue with the game. What orange? How many left? 2, 4 and 1. So either of those numbers have to come. It's okay. I'm almost done with the cube for the color blind. It is solved, but for the color blind, I'm almost done. Sparsh, you want me to use somebody else for this? Maybe try changing the technique of doing this. Maybe try. See, you've been... The Pornhub thing, you really got serious there. Gosh. 2 is done. 1 or 4. Ashka, 1 or 4. Just remind him. That's all I'm saying. By now, the trick is usually over, guys. All right, you know what? Give me. Forget the dice. This is going to be good. Come here. Come on this side. Or maybe stay here. 4 and 1. Can you pick up both the envelopes? I was supposed to solve this by now, which has certainly not worked. Give me your hand like this. Just don't drop this, okay? Yeah. 4 and 1. Hold both of them up together, right? Name a number. 4 or 1. 1. Open them up. Are you sure? Okay. 1. Open up 1. That means 4 is your gift. All right. Lovely. So whatever is in 1 is gone. That would have been helpful, the number of times. But we have 4 left, so pick it up. I don't want to touch anything. I want you to realize that the last gift, you rolled the dice. We even took the dice out. The last decision was yours. She's been handling the envelopes, I have not touched them. If there was something wrong, she would have known. If there was something wrong in the first place, I would not have given it to her at all, right? So, open up number 1. And out loud for the whole audience, what gift has he won? You win a Rubik's Cube! Oh my God, this is amazing! This is so amazing! I'm so happy for you. Come here, little shit. Come here. All right. Bhavya, I want you to stay here for a second. Bhavya, thank you very much. You were wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Bhavya. Now, here's the thing. Hold it like a Home Shop 18 model. This is your gift. Now, Sparsh, you remember I said I'm going to try and solve the cube, right? And I have failed because I was paying attention to the game and 5 kept coming up, and then I totally questioned my career choice after that. You, sir, in 10 years made me do that today. The point being that you, in the beginning of the show, thought of a color nobody knows about. Yeah. Yet, yes. How about you, sir? You want to do this? You can stay there. What is your name?
Sparsh.
Sparsh?
Yeah.
Have you ever met before today?
No.
You don't have to look so proud of that, Sparsh. But okay, no problem. Sparsh, I want you to, let's start simple. I want you to think of a number, or maybe let's not do a number. Numbers are very common. Think of a color. Do you have a color in mind, Sparsh? Yes? Okay. Are you thinking of the color purple?
No.
For the first time, what color were you thinking of?
White.
White. And there's no way for me to know that. And you just told me the color right now. And this has been here, don't get ahead of me. This has been here the whole time. There's something called a build-up, madam. You have to do it. Only Indians will do this, I'll tell you that. Now here's the thing. If you look at the cube, hold it flat out. Prasad nahi hai beta, cube hai. This is now on this side, there's no white. On this side, there's no white. Third side, no white. Fourth side, no white. On the top, there's no white. There's one side left. You could have thought of any color you wanted. You thought of the color white. The only side I tried and solved. White, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. And Sparsh, you get to keep the cube. Like I said, you won. Thank you very much. Sparsh, ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause. Yes. Oh, Sparsh. Can I see the cube for a second? Yeah, I have another show tomorrow. I'll keep this. I'm sorry. I really have another show. No, seriously. But Sparsh, I won't let you go empty-handed. I have something for you. I have a card. It is signed by me. So you can keep that. Yes. And Sparsh, whenever you come to Las Vegas, whoever you come with, friends, family, doesn't matter. Come to my show in Vegas. Show that card on the ticket window. Show that card on the security gate. And they will let you and your people enter for free. Okay? So I will see you in my show in Vegas as soon as I have one there. Alright? I don't have it.